Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making roasted potatoes in the air fryer. What we need for this recipe are potatoes, seasonings. I'm just going to use salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning, and olive oil. The first step would be to cut the potatoes. These potatoes I won't peel because they have thin skin, and if you have regular baking potatoes, then peel them. I'm just going to make my life easy and not peel them and just cut them. As I'm cutting the potatoes into pieces, I'll put them in a bowl. Now, after you cut the potatoes, let's season them. So I will add the spices. So that's pepper, salt, Italian seasoning, and I will add olive oil. And now let's toss with your hands until the potatoes are evenly coated with oil and spices. And now I will put them in the air fryer basket. And let's put the basket in the air fryer. And set the temperature to 400 degrees. And set the time to 25 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking process, let's take out the air fryer basket and shake the potatoes so they brown evenly. And put the basket back in the air fryer. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these delicious roasted potatoes, perfectly browned. So it was so easy to make them in the air fryer. These air fryer roasted potatoes are perfectly crispy and brown on the outside and tender on the inside. The texture is amazing. Let's try it. So perfect. You will love these roasted potatoes. For free printable recipes and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Enjoy and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel, Melanie Cooks. And I'll see you next time.